Now students, we'll see theory part of oscillation chapter. We'll see some important derivations. Okay. First of all, definition of linear simple harmonic motion. We called as S.H.M. To reach to this, we'll see one concept that is called periodic motion. What do you mean by periodic motion? Any motion which repeats after equal interval of time is called periodic motion. Example, motion of hands of the clock, motion of the earth around the sun, motion of planet around the sun, motion of swing, or you can say the spring. Spring is tied to rigid support. One mass is attached to this. If I pull it and I release it, it also oscillates. So these are the example of periodic motion. And what is periodic motion? Any motion which repeats after equal interval of time. Okay. Now this is also periodic motion in which body moves to and fro along a straight line. Means, suppose this is the one spring. One end of the spring is fixed to rigid support and other end is tied to a mass, a block of mass, say M. This position you can take as the main position. This is the main position. Let us say. Means suppose this is swing. A jhula I suppose. This is taken as a main position. If I take this side and I release, this is extreme position. We'll move to this side. So this is main position and these two are the extreme position. In the same manner, a block is initial at this position. So this I take as the main position. Fine. Now I am pulling this block towards right by say displacement is equals to x. By distance is equals to say x. Okay. I am taking this block towards right by displacement is equal to x. Now why the block is moving on this side? Because I am applying the force in this direction. Moment I release, here the block move towards the left by some same distance x. So block is moving on this side also by same distance is equals to x. Okay. जैसे झूले पे अगर जितना राइट में जाएगा उतना ही लेफ्ट में आएगा. So this side also x, this side also x. So from main position I am pulling towards the extreme right. If I release it, we'll move this side. This to and fro motion continues. Okay. Now we have to define S.H.M. If I take block on this side and if I release it, block moves in towards left side because of one force, and that force is called as a internal restoring force. Means when a block is at this position, a restoring force acts in this direction towards this side to bring body to its original position, that means at main position. When block is towards left, the restoring force acts in opposite direction this side to bring body to its main position. S.H.M is defined as it is a linear periodic motion. Linear periodic motion in which force is directed towards the main position and magnitude of force is directly proportional to displacement from main position. Means displacement कहाँ से count करना है? Displacement always counted from main position. If I remove proportionality sign, I can write constant k. Here we have to write minus. Why minus? Because displacement towards right, force acts towards the left. Displacement is left side, force acts towards the right side. That means force is always directed opposite to displacement. So we have to put minus sign. Where k is constant, called as force constant. Okay. Next part, students. Differential equation of S.H.M asked normally for 2 marks. Now we have equation of S.H.M. F is equals to minus kx. Okay. Now force is equals to, we have formula mass into acceleration. If I equate this to, I can say ma is equals to minus kx. What is a? Is acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. So I can say this is dv by dt is equals to minus kx. Now velocity. What is velocity? Velocity is the rate of change of displacement. So I can say dx by dt is equals to minus kx. This I'll get double derivative, that is m d square x upon dt square is equals to minus kx. I'll take minus kx on this side. I can write m d square x upon dt square plus kx equal to 0. Dividing by m, I'll get d square x upon dt square plus k upon m x equal to 0. I can replace this as d square x upon dt square. I can replace this as omega square x equal to 0, where I can say k by m is equals to omega square, and omega is a angular velocity. This equation, this is differential equation of S.H.M. This equation is called differential equation of S.H.M.